Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant. Chapter 1. How to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant closing processes. To start, right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. Here in the console, locate any service or process associated with Riot or Valorant, and when selecting it, click End Task to close its process. Chapter 2. How to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant adjusting service. To start, in the search box, enter Services, click on Services. Now select and double-click on the VGC service. Now in the Startup Type field, assign Automatic. After that, click Start and finally save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. Chapter 3. How to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant delete local files. To start, in the search box, enter %localappdata %, click on File folder. After this, open the Riot Games folder, then open Riot Client. Then open Data. Once here, delete the Riot Games private settings file. Chapter 4. How to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant using administrator mode. To begin, right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select the Properties option. Now you are going to go to the Compatibility tab and activate Run this program as an administrator. To save the changes, click Apply and then OK. After, you can open Valorant by double-clicking on the shortcut, and you must click on Yes to access the application. Chapter 5. How to fix VAL 43 error in Valorant from the console. To start, enter CMD in the search box, click Run as administrator, and you must click Yes to access the console. In the console, first you're going to reset WinSock, run netch WinSock reset, press Enter. After this, adjust the IP values, run netch int IP reset. Now you are going to release the IP address, execute IP config/release. After that, renew the IP, run IP config/renew. Finally, you're going to free the cache, run ipconfig/flush DNS. After for the changes to take effect, you must restart your Windows system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.